We see pattern changes in our weather year-round, but one thing that remains constant,
That's right.
are bright blue skies.
That's right, they're beautiful. Fox 44's meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick explains the science behind why the sky is blue in this week's WeatherWise.
Why is the sky blue? That's a question we often thought about when we started learning about science at a young age. Now, there's nothing nicer to a forecaster like myself than blue skies and sunshine, but have you ever wondered why the sky always maintains its blue nature? Now, there's actually a lot of misconceptions about why the sky is blue. One of the biggest is because people think the blue nature of the sky is due to the reflection of the ocean. Another one is because the oxygen gas is a blue color. And lastly, the sunlight can often have a blue tint to it. If you've ever thought about any of these as the reasoning behind blue skies, unfortunately, these are all myths. In truth, the sky looks blue because of the way sunlight interacts with the Earth's atmosphere. The light from the sun appears white when you look towards it in the sky. That's because that white light that you're seeing is made up of all the colors of visible light, or Roy G. Biv. It's hard for the human eye to detect more than one color because when the rays of the sun hit the Earth's atmosphere, the colors of visible light scatter as different waves of energy. And each of these colors radiates at different wavelengths. Red light radiates at a longer wavelength, while blue and purple light radiate at a shorter wavelength. A key piece of info to remember is that the atmosphere is comprised of many different gases, dust particles, water vapor, and water droplets. So when the sun shines into the Earth's atmosphere, blue light scatters much more efficiently with the gases, dust particles, and water vapor in the atmosphere than any of the other colors on the visible spectrum. So essentially, the blue light we see in the sky is the sun interacting with different particles in the atmosphere. And with that, our eyes see the color blue much more easily than any of the other colors. And if you have any questions about why the sky is blue or weather-related questions, send them my way and I'll be happy to answer. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, or email at hfitzpatrick@kwkt.com.